Hi everyone, bonjour tout le monde, c'est Isabelle de Prêt-à-parler.ch et aujourd'hui nous allons apprendre la différence entre le son et le son est en français. Are you ready to talk? Êtes-vous prête à parler? Alors on va commencer. On va commencer par une astuce de prononciation. So we'll start with my little pronunciation tip. Very easy. You just have to remember that et sounds the same as the verb to say in English. Et to say. Repeat after me. Et. The other sound is a little bit more at the back. You will see the difference. Et is the same as bed. So you can try to pronounce say and then bed. Et. Forward et, like to say, and a little bit more at the back, like bed. You can practice to hear the little difference, et. Now we're going to practice. On va pratiquer. Alors souvenez-vous, et is like to say, and c'est comme bed. Le café. J'écoute. La mère. Le frère. Les élèves. There are several sounds, several spellings, which will sound like the sound a, like to say. That can throw you off a little bit at the beginning when you learn French, or if you've been learning French for several years. Let's have a look at them. So we have the verb, not the verb, but the sound a, as we saw. If we have er, it's the same sound, a. AI is the same sound. EZ is the same sound as to say. So let's practice. On va pratiquer. Il va manger. J'ai mangé. Vous mangez. It's all the same sound. Different spelling, but always the sound A. Same sound as est or bed. Le même son que est. On a est, E accent circonflexe, AIS, AIENT. Same sound as bed, est. You might see that here we have ENT. Very important to remember that ENT at the end of a verb is always silent. Let's practice. On va pratiquer. Je suis prêt. Je voudrais. Il parlait. ENT, always silent at the end of a verb. Alors, on va mettre en pratique mon petit truc, mon astuce de prononciation. Let's put into practice my pronunciation tip. Remember, et, est. J'ai habité à Genève pendant 3 ans. Je vais aller à la fête d'Éric ce soir. Est-ce que vous avez déjà mangé? So a little bit slower. J'ai habité à Genève pendant 3 ans. Je vais aller à la fête d'Éric ce soir. Est-ce que vous avez déjà mangé? So I hope this was helpful for you. Bravo, bravo. Vous savez maintenant comment faire la différence entre et est. You now know how to make the difference between the sounds et and est in French. Remember, et is like to say and est is like bed. If you want to learn more pronunciation tips with me, I recommend that you subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel. You can also subscribe to my newsletter. I'm sharing new tips, very helpful and efficient little tips for you to better integrate French in your everyday life. Whether you are learning French at the moment, you're living in a French-speaking country, you want to visit a French-speaking country, for leisure. You would like to go to France, to Switzerland, Canada, in Quebec, Belgium, any French-speaking country. It's always very useful to know a little bit of French. Merci beaucoup et à bientôt. Bye bye.